residential hostel kam coaching center mission bag tang aizo atangin ya tun kan lockdown chunga claim SBI club mains question quantitative mi hi le reasoning hi claim needed emo kar khata voitum very upload kan tuma chumi lo like mi lo subscribe me comment section to nia chuan hemi lockdown zo class kal du le hostel emo de kal du tan hemi 9089 3334881 SMI ke kha ilo contact do nia voila kan zir tum hi hemi mensuration questions ani mensuration b he question si atlang kuin pakhat atanga pathum emo ani lo le di based question am lo kal chuan question paruk te po alo te ani ma se high expectation hi atam bira chuan 1 to 3 questions atlang kuin ani a question sa kan do danga a circle whose circumference is equal to the sum of perimeter of a rectangle and a square. Length of the rectangle and side of the square are in the ratio of 8:5, and area of the rectangle is 7 centimeters square, more than the area of the square. What is the area of the circle if side of the square is 25% more than the breadth of the rectangle? Hey, a question sa ani. Option pa nga ano ga 154, 152, 134, 164 le none of these ani. Ani le helai a questions in the end kan points mo te kha eng tinge kan ti chuan circle whose circumference of a circle ti le point number 2 perimeter of a rectangle le square ania chuan anexa area of a rectangle le area of a square. So our next point area of a circle so on side of the square is 25% more than the breadth of the rectangle. Hang ho hi points point mo teka ani. To be a down helaya ama saberin area circle hi kan treat put ani. Circle m1 circumference of a circle kan di hi circumference of a circle to of a circle to a formula ka kan ti chuan 2 pi r ani chuan area of a circle to pi r square hey hi ama sabira kan thiam ni tu kan bai ha tu ani point number 2 rectangle khan point pani area of a rectangle le perimeter of a rectangle kha ani hemi te pani points ni kan chian ngai le so to be my circumference kan ti chu enge kan ti chu length of the boundary ani perimeter kan ti point length of the boundary tho ani aina ani chu hemi rectangle kha he hi lo ni ta se he hi length ani he hi breadth he hi length he hi breadth ani ani chu area kan ti chuan hemi rectangle area kan jen hemi chung zau zong tina ani to me zong tu chuan hemi length le hemi breadth ipun tir atanga lo chuwa kha area of a rectangle ani to me chu length into breadth ani perimeter of a rectangle kan ti chuan length of the boundary ni ba chuan hemi inkar kan bel khom kha ani l plus b plus l plus b tinania l pani so 2l ania b pani to 2b ani 2l plus 2b dinani hemi te pani atangin common term 2 in lo lab so chuan l plus b ha chuaka to me to perimeter of a rectangle ani a point number 3 square ka ania square chuan side zong hi input vek ani side hi sid din ka danga ani chuan hei ko hi ss hina ani chuan area in lo som don chuan area of the square condition hemi side put dir kha ani side into side condition side square ani area of a square so enge kan ti chuan side into side is side square ania chuan perimeter of a square kan ti chuan side plus side plus side plus side to 4 paliam awangin 4 into side hemi points paruki hemi questions atan han so kan so don chuan hemi paru thi chiang taka kan thia phot angai ani chuna question sa kan lu danga ama submarine a process pangai ang kan so nga chumi zo lu khan shorten kan tum don ani point number 1 circumference of a circle is equal to sum of the perimeter of a rectangle and a square is 1. Perimeter of rectangle plus perimeter of a square circumference of a circle condition 2 pi r ania. Perimeter of a rectangle condition 1 2 into length plus breadth and perimeter of a square condition 4 into side. A first point ka ane. And next length of the rectangle and side of the square adia. Rectangle length of a rectangle is to side of a square. A ratio and load to 8 is to 5 ani. The length of a rectangle ka 8x long se side of a square to again yang side will become 5x ani. And area of a rectangle he can share length into breadth ani. To me the function breadth he can share to me breadth can share to one lasa. If side of the square is 25% more than the breadth of the rectangle, square aside to breadth of the rectangle I 25% so square masse rectangle breadth breadth of a rectangle is 25% less than the side of a square to be the function breadth don't 100 by 125 into 5x side of a square. So 100 divided by 125 into 5x alone. So you get here 25 4 25 5 5 5 can get here 4x alone. Length of a rectangle he can do. And it's a tuna helaya can radius he can shade a high draw. To be radius comes on mark and area of a rectangle is 7 cm more than the area of a square to be to area of a rectangle to atranga hemis area of a square in low by 7 cm tina then I know see emo rectangle area of a rectangle is equal to area of a square plus 7 centimeter square tina ani. Hemi anga dalu point area of a rectangle minus area of a square is equal to 7 centimeter square in the point in that. Area of a rectangle can be length into breadth length to 8x ania. Breadth is 4x minus area of a square condition side square that is 5x holding square is equal to 7 centimeter square. So hey 32x square hey 25x square 32x square 25x square in to 7x square equal to 7. So 7 cancel. Therefore x is equal to 1. So function x value 1 in low moon length of a rectangle length to 8 x 8 into 1 is 8 so one breadth to 4 into x that is 4 into 1 is 4 so on next side square big side to condition 5 into 1 is 5 values circumference of a circle is equal to perimeter of a rectangle plus perimeter of a square to me a radius in low 2 into pi values 22 by 7 radius ka in zon tu mania into r equal to 2 in danga chuan length of the rectangle to 8 plus 4 plus chuan 4 into side 4 into 5 2 he cancel by taila maybe then how much you get here 22 by 7 r is equal to 12 plus 2 5 and 10 to 22 then you can say it therefore r is equal to 7 radius r ka 7 kan mo to ane ane kan zon tum kha enge kan ti chuan area of the circle ane ane chun area of the circle with center o here taila so ege kan ti chun pi r square ania pi to 22 by 7 radius to 7 7 square means 7 into 7 nang thawani function 7 to 7 kan da ane hemi te pani in puntir chuan 154 centimeter square kha answer ane emo hemi point in lo chu thei ane nakina hemi terms kha chiang taka in lo shia tu na khan a points by points in lo en tauna length of the rectangle the side of the square atang in turn mai don ani chuan rectangle b kha in nanga chuan square kha in le a rectangle a khan in lo soi kan ti chuan a length chu 89 ya square a khan a side kha 5 in la to be set zo chi kan helaya a points and also if side of the square is 25% more than the breadth of the rectangle in dutanga to be a breadth of the rectangle in lawson so on it will be 25% less than the side of a square tinani so be the function breadth will become here 100 divided by 125 into 5 and you here you get 4 ani le ege a next point akan du le to ka ti chuan hemi points are in the blue there area of a rectangle to 7 centimeters square more than the area of a square allowed so on rectangle area le square area in count na to 7 centimeters square tina ani to be the function area of a rectangle minus area of a square to 7 tina ani the area of a rectangle kan ti chuan length into breadth ani and it's 8 le 4 ipun tirang 8 into 4 minus so on side of the square kan ti chuan 5 square hemi te pani hemi chu enge likha 7 equal to 17 ani hei and it's hemi 32 ani ya hei 25 ani 32 le 25 in count to 7 ani 7 kan ti hi hemi 17 ani I just one part 7 part kan ti 7 ani chuan one part kan ti chu hemi 7 divided by hemi 7 hemi 7 ka hei ania hei 7 ka hei ani in cancel chuan 1 mo ani chun length kha chu engeniam 8 inania breadth 4 ania side ka 5 ani chuan first sentence I do danga circumference of a circle ka ti chu 2 pi value is 22 by 7 ani chuan into radius equal to perimeter of a rectangle kan ti chuan 2 into length plus breadth plus perimeter of a square to 4 into side so 2 in cancel and you get 2 then 22 by 7r is equal to 12 plus 10 to 22 then you can say it then r is equal to 7 therefore area of a square of a circle is equal to pi r square and then here we get 22 by 7 into 7 then cancel it you get here 154 centimeter square hey here a process pani mga kanso na ka so kan shift to karle dampang next week tikhan SBI club main sabi to reasoning there chuan nakin nama chuan English te po hi pek so tuma chumeni wang chuan quantitative chak ni reasoning te kan ko chodon ani chuwang chuan no like la lo subscribe to in kalau so je ani chu